Lexie. Here, Mom. Can I have my phone?
You don't like me. You were great yesterday.
Camden, what does the doggy say? Woof, woof, woof.
Camden, what does the lion say?
Rawr.
Wow.
Camden,
What does your monkey say?
what does your monkey say?
Ooh.
Camden, what does your doggy say?
He's so smart.
Woof, woof, woof.
What does your cow say?
What does the fishy say?
Camden, what does the fishy say?
You're so smart. Are you being a dog still? Are you licking?
Woof, woof.
No. We learned penguin. What does a penguin say?
Moo.
Ping, 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 ping.
That's what a penguin says.
What does the penguin say?
Squawk. Penguins do not squawk.
Yeah, they do.
Squawk. He's enjoying being a cow. Moo. Do your squishy face.
Camden.
You think cooking?
What's your pig say?
Well, they were supposed to be.
What's your piggy say?
Blah, blah, blah.
That's not what your piggy says.
So your squirrel? Camden, your squirrel? You're so smart. How are you so smart? Do your squish face.
Squishy face. Kiwi.
Camden. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Wait for Lexie.
Bye-bye. Come on. I know you know how to do this. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
We're going to go to Mindy's.